Good morning, kids. Being fair and kind is easy. Just listen to your heart and do what's right. Yes, so today the story is being fair. Fair share. Yes, children, we should always play a fair game and we should always learn to share our things with our friends and with our loved ones. So, let's read the story. Yippee! It was a play day. Ella waited eagerly for her Aunt Emma and cousin Jack to arrive. She had collected all her toys in the playroom and was ready to play all day with Jack, who knew a lot of games. Ding dong, the bell rang. Ella mom rushed to greet the guest. Aunt Emma hugged Ella tightly. You look so pretty, Ella. She smiled lovingly. Hello, Ella, said Jack cheerfully. Hello, Jack, you are taller than before, she smiled. You kids go and play for a while and then I'll give you some cookies and snacks, promised Ella's mother. And so the children went to the playroom. Ella took out all her favorite games, some puzzles, blocks, colors, and craft to play. So now the story is about Jack, Ella and Aunt Emma. And Ella was very excited to play with Jack. So when Jack came to her house, she got all her toys out in the playroom and she started playing with the toys. So now let's see what happens. What should we play first? Jack asked, puzzled. What about this? She asked. Pull out a snakes and ladder game. Oh, I like snakes and ladder. Let's play, said Jack excitedly. I bet I can beat you, Ella said confidently. Jack only smiled. Ella was losing. She was still hovering near 20s while Jack was in the 90s. A few snakes have pushed her back right down. Don't be upset, it's just a game, Jack told Ella. I don't want to play anymore, she told him. She was upset. Hey, that's not fair, Ella. Let's finish the game. Had you been winning, you would have played till the end, he cried. Oh, we'll play, she agreed, even though she didn't like losing it a bit. So now Jack and Ella decided to play snakes and ladder. But now Ella was losing the game because few snakes have bit her and she was in the 20s line and Jack was leading the game. So Ella was little upset. She says, I don't want to play anymore. Now Jack is saying that is unfair. If you are losing it, that does not mean that we will stop the game. You should play the game till the end. So Ella said, come on, let's play the game. Children, Ella's mother called out from the kitchen. It's time for some snacks. Come along now. Let's go. We can play later, said Ella. When they reached the dining room, Mother handed them a glass of milkshake each. The children thanked her and then, lo and behold, Ella's mother brought their favorite cookies. Whoa, said Jack, eyeing the delicious plate of cookies. He knew that he had just the right crunch. Ella could already imagine the warm taste of butter melted in her mouth. It was a special treat and Ella eyed the cookies greedily. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 cookies. Ella took 6 for herself on a plate. Jack's face fell, but he did not say anything. Ella took her plate. I had more cookies than Jack's plate. So now, Mom called out both Ella and Jack, saying, come on, it's snacks time. And she gave both of them a glass full of milkshake and some delicious cookies. So Jack and Ella both loved eating cookies. So what did Ella did? Ella took a lot of cookies in a plate and then she said, come, let's play. And there were only few cookies left for Jack. Ella gulped. She didn't want to give a cookie away, but she felt she must. Hey, Jack, she said with a smile. Take one more cookie, she offered. Jack smiled. Really? He asked, taking it from her. Yes, now we have equal cookies, she said, laughing and munching on her cookies. So when Ella saw Jack's plate, there were only few cookies left. So Ella said, "You can take few cookies from my plate." And Jack said, "Really? You are sharing your cookies with me?" She's saying, "Yes, yes, you can take that plate, one cookie from me." "Thanks, Ella. You do know how to share and be fair. Now let's go. We still have to finish the game." He laughed. So Jack said, "Thank you so much, Ella, for giving me one more cookie from your plate. And I am glad to know that you know how to be fair and you know how to share your things. So let's go and play our game and finish it off." Yes, children, sharing and being fair is very important part. You should always play a fair game. You should not cheat, right? And of course, sharing is very important. You share things with your friends, right? In school, you share your eraser, your pencil, your crayons, your scale, your toys. So sharing is very, very important. Sharing is and caring is a very good value for life, children. You should learn that and always play a fair game. I hope you like the story and you'll also be fair while playing your games. So I'll see you in the next class. Till that time, bye bye. Take care.